Okay, what's up? What's up? Okay. Okay, look, there's our friend over there. They had one good job. Okay. Oh, my bad. Pick up my phone. Go. Okay.
Okay, go. Do it. Just do it. Hurry up. Do it. Oh my.
Yeah.
That isn't that hard.
Yeah, they're good. Okay, now they're good.
That was short. Oh. Okay, let's do another one.
Yeah. That's cool now. That's cool.
Hi, everybody. Have a buddy.
Huh? You know, so Johnny. Así como Johnny Test. Tiene ese. Johnny Test. Luis. Sí. Hello, yes.
Luis.
Yeah, my favorite.
How do you open this? This is two.
Huh?
Luis, ¿dónde está tu
Two
mamá?
bombs.
2000.
We're gonna do these ones.
I say, hi everybody, have a great July, have a great day. It's a good one, right? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, my bad, people. I'm thirsty. This family need a hard worker.
Okay, I think these are the amazing fountain bombs.
Damn, that's kind of cool for this.
I think I'm gonna have to video my iPad later.
Which one gonna put on YouTube? I'm gonna put YouTube.
But it's like, I don't know where my iPad is. My mom has it in her bag.
Mm.
And it's inside.
Oh my God, there's one view.
We got to. What?
I'm gonna do another one, get episode 2, episode 3, episode 4.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that too. The weapon burn this. Look, Jeremy,
Wait for me.
Jeremy,
Huh.
Jeremy. What happened? Burn this. Look,
That's bad then.
what happened now? Burn.
And also I'm gonna, dude, stop. That's gonna be the worst. And this one's gonna be the episode 2. Oh no, not this one. This is
Love YouTube. I do like YouTube.
Dude, I can't believe it. Someone said something.
Sup? This is up.
That's awesome.
Yeah, that was up.
That's nice. Dude, that's my first time a YouTuber say that. Seriously, in my life.
Me too.
Dude, I think I think if you have a lot of, people, this is gonna be the fireworks episode 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna put like episode 1, 2, 3, 4 or something.
Works.
Okay, look at some part. Okay. Hey, July.